If you are working with us, you must wondering how you can take a proper preparation for your interview. We must be handed over this document. It's called EAL Marketing Steps document for your preparation, overall all preparation and what steps we will follow to put you in the market. Here is the step one, step two, and these steps are here. So um, in steps two, there are two video links that will help you to take preparation. You must need to read every single details of this document because this is very important. There are so many confidential items and agreements. You need to know each and every word of this document, how we're gonna process you in the market. So once you are here, once you are following these steps, once we send you the resume, you have to take preparation on the resume by following this document. This is a link. If you click on this paper, if you click on this link, it's gonna open up a
Hi guys, this is
tutorial
Shamsevan here.
where it's gonna show how you're gonna take the preparation on your resume. So once you have taken the preparation, you will follow up other things. Now, what about the preparation for the mock interview? So there is a this is the video as well. We have mentioned the
Hi
video
guys,
here
this
as
is
well, so
Shamsevan.
that you don't miss any step. Please please follow step by step from here, right? Now we have given you some basic questions. This is not everything, but some basics that you must need to know. Or you can have so many questions from different schools. For example, if we click on this link, uh, is gonna open up some question banks for you, right? These are there are only 22 questions, which is very basic. You must need to know these items at least for cracking a manual testing interview. This doesn't contain everything related to automation testing, but you must need to know about you must need to know the answers of these questions properly, and you can get some other questions too. But how you gonna answer these questions? For example, you don't know how to get the answer for these questions. So at first you have to understand the question. So this question is asking you for your background information and experience based on your resume. So if you have worked on 3 companies or 4 companies, you have done suppose you have 8 years of experience, you have worked 2 years in each company, you have to combine them all, you have to talk about different companies and tell your experience there. But you must need to tell detailed thing about your last project, recent one. For example, this says current project. That means the recent one that you are working on. So you need to know the answer. You know the answer, but you don't have the way to arrange them properly or tell them properly. Now, what will you do? So here is the trick. You can use ChatGPT or Copilot, whatever you want, to note down the answers. So I'm using Microsoft Edge, which has in the top right corner here we have Copilot, or here we have Copilot, right? Open Copilot. So we are clicking on this. It's gonna open up this one. So I'm providing a prompt. I'm gonna attach this prompt in the description of the video. So but this is not the final one. You can modify it anytime you want. This is just a trick that I'm teaching you. It's not like you have to use this one. You can modify yours one too. You can make a better prompt. But let me give you the hints. For example, here I have written I'm a QA automation engineer having experience of creating and maintaining automation framework using Selenium and Java. I recently worked on TD Bank. Here you have to replace your company name. TD Bank is a company. You have to replace your company name so that you can it can give you answer based on your company. So here, which is a banking domain. If your last company is insurance, you can say that it is a insurance domain. You can say it's a healthcare domain. You can say it's a social domain. It's a e-commerce domain. Whatever you wanna say, you can whatever your last company is, you can put that here. And I was responsible for automation UI responsible for automating UI. My bad. For automating UI tests, UI tests in multiple projects. Okay, handled by TD Bank web application. So this part could be changed to TD Bank. Now I'm preparing for another interview. Please provide me satisfactory answer aligned with my experience. So the questions attached below. Now here is the tricky part. You just need to paste the questions here. Copy the questions from here. Not this one, because here you have mentioned, I mean, not the first one, because here you have mentioned only about TD Bank. Now you can mention multiple projects as well. Like you can modify it, you can edit it as your own way. You can get the answer of first questions too. But let me tell you what is the basic questions, which is project oriented or technical questions. Any questions is gonna give you a very good answer. So you can go down. You can use quotation, and you can provide like this. You can put the question like this, and it's gonna give you one of the best answers, right? Candidate, you, how you should answer is gonna give you every details. Okay, what have you done, what have you tested, right? uh what is your primary object, how did you do regression test, how you have done efficiency and consistency testing, cross browser testing. Okay, so you can do this easily. You can get any answer following this technique. So this is a small trick of getting your answers or getting what you need. So yeah, let us know if you need any help. I'm gonna put this prompt in the description of the video. Thank you.